Question 39. The most common species of Plasmodium, accounting for 50% of cell malaria cases, is A. Plasmodium vivax, B. Plasmodium falciparum, C. Plasmodium malariae, D. Plasmodium ovale. So I'm just going to give you the answer straight because there's no roundabout way of explaining this. The answer is option B, which is Plasmodium falciparum. Now, Plasmodium falciparum is responsible for most of the common cases worldwide, not just in Nigeria. If you go to the hospital, you have malaria and they test you for it. The species of malaria is likely to be Plasmodium falciparum. Also, in severe cases and when there is malaria complication, it's also more likely to be Plasmodium falciparum. You see, it has a whole 50% out of 100, so option B is our answer.